Let's do it as fast as possible. You have to take this one off. You will see connections and two pipes. This one, the shorter one, is intake. This one is outtake from the pump. Now you need some extra pipe to connect it like that. But first, this one needs to be full of water. So just grab a glass of water, suck the water in, yep, and now connect it. Now you need to have an 5-volt charger, I would say, and you just connect it here, and here the pump starts. It will take the water because the air is inside, but it will take the water. You can pump it with your mouth. It will take the water in and take it out, and you can see three wet spots from downsides. That means you put water inside, and now you can disconnect this, put it back there, screw back together, put some water, and it will work like it should. Oh, and something extra, sometimes those little holes can be filled with dust. So you take this little pin, needle, and just poke it in those three little spots there, so the water can flow.